This thing I don't think has ever been cleaned. Bird feathers, some dog hair, some cat hair. So that's all gonna have to be replaced. That's a nice bird's nest in it. Doors rotted out, drywall seam is cracking. Holes in the tub. This bathroom's getting completely gutted as well because there's water damage. Alright guys, welcome back. Today is going to be a bonus video in my series called Renovating a House Start to Finish. I'm going to show you how to seal your conditioned space from your unconditioned attic space using Great Stuff's wide spray. Can lights, ceiling fan boxes, fire alarm boxes, those are all huge sources of air leakage in our homes today, especially in older homes. And I'm going to show you how to seal those up so that you can get more efficiency out of your home.
All right guys, so we have, I think, 7 more of these can lights. And I'm going to show you there is a lot of holes in the sides of these cans. So that means air is coming from conditioned space and coming up into the unconditioned attic, which is a problem. So what we're going to do is take these domes and we're going to put these over them and then seal it off with Great Stuff wide spray. So we notch for our wires. Notch for the metal. And then we will seal this all off. You can see all the holes in this can. It's going to let air through. So one thing I do before I get started is I kind of practice which way I'm going to be doing this. I know that sounds weird, but it definitely helps when you're actually doing it. This wide spray is perfect because it extends out here and extends up the side all in one pass, sealing that off. See, that's what it looks like after I spray it. And so you can do this with any penetration you have from the inside of the conditioned space to the attic. So if you have fire alarm boxes, if you have ceiling fan boxes, any of that, you can use great stuff to seal this off. All right guys, I thought I'd show you these before I cover them. They are sealed up and they are rock solid. You look at this. All sealed up. Great use for wide spray right there.
All right, hopefully this video was helpful to you. I know I am pumped to have wide spray and to be able to use it on a variety of different projects. If you want more information, figure out where to buy it, check out the link in the description. As always, we appreciate you watching. If you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, share it with your friends, and don't stop dreaming.